Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City right in front of Harrah's Hotel and Casino. Gonna do a slot pull today here at Harrah's, so come along with me. Cross your fingers, I'm crossing mine. Let's hope for good luck. So I walked around the Harrah's Casino for a while and I found this machine. It's called X-Wheel Chili. I like any machine named Chili, so I'm gonna try this one. There's a group of 4 of them. They're all right next to each other, or surrounding each other I should say. They're kind of like in a circle. And I'm gonna put $200 in and bet the max, which is $375 a spin. So let's see what happens. Well, it didn't take long. I got $20 into my $200 and I got my first bonus, so that's a good sign. So it was teetering on a major jackpot, which was $517, or a minor jackpot, which was $34. Guess which one I got? That's right, the minor at $34. Good news is, well, I'm ahead of the game here. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Out of all the properties in Atlantic City, the hotels and casinos, Caesars properties seem to be, as far as me personally, the stingiest with comps. So I've been doing a little more gambling at Caesars properties. They have 3 in Atlantic City, Harrah's, which is where I am now, the Tropicana, and Caesars, which are both on the Atlantic City boardwalk. And I have noticed lately that the comps are starting to come in. I do get free rooms now at the 3 properties, Harrah's, Tropicana, and Caesars, as well as some great deals in Las Vegas, the Caesars properties there. And I do have a trip coming up in Las Vegas. I already booked that, and it is at a Caesars property because I got a good deal. And quite frankly, good deals and free rooms are what makes this channel possible. That's not to say I gamble at Caesars exclusively. I'm an equal opportunity gambler. And it looks like I got another bonus on this machine. Let's see what happens, because I'm down to $148. Well, another minor and another big tease between the minor and the grand, and there's a huge dollar difference between the two. But if you notice, the grand, the minor, the major, the mini, they all have the same amount of spots on the wheel, so it should be equal odds, right? I doubt it. That was a $46 win, so I'm just about back to where I started from. As you guys know, my usual machine to go to in this theme is Chili Chili Fire. I've never played this particular machine before, or this type of game, but it does have the mariachi music like the Chili Chili Fire. But this machine, if you listen closely, makes grunting sounds like I'm punching it, and I'm not punching it. I just don't know why it makes that sound. Listen closely. Every once in a while you hear, oh, It sounds like it needs medical attention. Or maybe it's the elderly gentleman sitting across from me. I'm not really sure. Alrighty, I'm down to half of my money. I'm down to $100. Which direction will this video be going? For the better or for the worse? We're about to find out. As you guys know, I'm kind of new to this whole slot machine thing, and I enjoy doing it. It's good for the channel, and it's good for comps as well. Sometimes I make mistakes, and you guys point them out to me, and I really do appreciate that. I'm learning a lot from you guys, as well as from experience playing these machines. Once in a while, I'll get a comment like, "You don't know what you're doing, and don't you read the rules before you start?" And did you ever read the rules to these slot machines? There is a button, if you push it, it'll say something like rules or menu or something like that. It's like 25 pages long, small print, and a bazillion different combinations. Kind of like those user agreements when you're installing software or an app on your phone. I don't know about you guys, but I gamble for fun. I'm not here to read, and if I win some money, that's great. If I lose some, that's okay, as long as I'm on a budget. And again, the way I see it is, it's good for the channel, and it's good for comps, right? Whether I win or lose. Another bonus, let me guess, another mini or a minor, but only after a tease. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Well, just about hitting bottom here as far as my money is concerned, and it hasn't been a good session, obviously, and once this is over, I think I'm going to head over to the convenience store and get this machine a bottle of Pepto-Bismol. Ugh! Well, guys, it looks like Lady Luck was out to lunch today. Say that 10 times real fast. $200, less than 10 minutes. Obviously not a good spin, but hey, I've been doing pretty good on these machines lately, so I can't complain. I've still won a lot more than I've lost. Probably head over to do another slot pull somewhere on the boardwalk this afternoon. Meanwhile, I'm going to head over to the Hard Rock and check in for the evening. So catch you guys later. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.